Hello, and welcome to the Alpha Phi Sigma tutorials. I'm going to review the process of completing chapter bylaws. All chapters must have chapter bylaws to be in good standing with Alpha Phi Sigma. Chapter bylaws must follow Alpha Phi Sigma's national bylaws. Please proceed to our website at alphaphisigma.org and click on the Chapters tab. Scroll down and find the Chapter Bylaws template and open the Word document. The first page explains what it means for a chapter to be in good standing and the reason why chapter bylaws are needed. The template has black, red, and gray to help you signify the bylaws in a simpler manner. The black text represents the national bylaws and may not be changed. The red text signifies items that the advisor needs to complete and explains some of the changes, additions, deletions that chapters may make. The gray text may be modified as needed. Proceed to page 2, and if you already know your chapter Greek name, type it at the top of the document. If not, we will complete this section once the chapter charter is complete. Proceed to Article 1 and enter the name of the college, university. Continue to Article 2, Section 3, and state the purpose of the chapter. Text in gray may be modified by the advisor. Continue completing all sections listed in red text. When you get to Article X, please make sure you complete the section by adding the chapter advisor's name, and if there is a vote, please state the vote count. Once complete, submit chapter bylaws to headquarters for review and approval. Once headquarters has the opportunity to review and ensure compliance, the bylaws will be ratified. If any of the completed sections are missing or questionable, headquarters will reach out to the advisor and work to correct the issues. Chapter bylaws may be updated. However, we suggest keeping the chapter bylaws broad. Alpha Phi Sigma suggests creating a chapter policy for items that may change frequently in day-to-day operations of the chapter, since policies may be frequently updated. Policies may be updated and changed by the advisor and approval of the chapter without having to rewrite or amend bylaws. If you have any questions, please email or call headquarters. Please see the PDF tutorials for additional information or contact us via email at headquarters@alphaphisigma.org.